Okay. Uh, so let me consider the practical inverting amplifier. So we have the input that is supplies to the circuit, and that will be treated as the parameter K, and K is connected to the closed loop system, right? Closed loop system. First one, let me consider if it is an amplifier, that is treated and indicated as A, and B is your feedback network, that is feedback network. So let me consider this is input and this is your output. So output is feed to the feedback circuit. So here we got the V0. So afterwards that V0 is and this will be considered as the VF. VF indicates that feedback input to the amplifier, output to the input, that is the feedback voltage. So VF, and here it is treated as the minus, and this is also treated as the minus. So V in into K, we got that node, right? And we are considering this is the node or summing point. So let me consider the voltage between these two will be treated as the difference voltage. So how to derive that? Let me consider. So first, what is the VD? VD equals to you can see that minus V in into K, right? V in into K into minus, right? Minus V in into K, and next one is the minus VF. It depends upon the types of the feedback, the polarity will be changes. So it is treated as the equation number 1. And next one is the V0. So V0 equals to you can see that your input VD is supplied to the amplifier or A network. So it means that both are multiplied, VD into A, we got the output V0. So V0 equals to VD into A, that is equation number 2. And next one is we have another one voltage, that is VF. So VF is the multiplier factor of B in V0. V0 is input for feedback network, that is B. So V0 into B, that defines your VF. V0 into B, that is stated as equation number 3. Just A is defines was open loop gain, and B is the feedback circuit gain, and K is stated as the attenuation gain or factor. So we have consider the second one equation, V0 equals to VD into A, right? So we know the value of V0 equals to VD into A. VD is what? V in. Let me substitute equation number 1 here, that is minus V in K minus VF. VF we know that V0 into B minus VF, right? Okay, sorry, already we done it, into A. And next one, so V0 equals to, so V0 equals to A is multiplied with this factor minus V in Ka minus V0 A into B, A into B. Now we have the V0, two parameters are there. So let me consider one side. So V0 here it becomes plus V0 A into B equals to minus V in Ka. So take a V0 common here, 1 plus A into B equals to minus V in K into A, right? So rearranging that equation in terms of V0 by V in, it defines your minus AK divided by 1 plus AB. So this is your the voltage gain for closed loop system. So that is stated as ACL, closed loop system, equals to minus of this A indicates the open loop gain into K means the factor and we are considering that is with respect to the previous equation, that is RF R1 plus RF plus R1 into AOL. We already derived this equation, right, in previous one. Now you are comparing this equation with respect to the above equation and rearranging this equation in terms of, let me rearrange, or we are going to define that divide R1 R1 plus RF for numerator and denominator. So it becomes minus AOL RF divided by R1 plus RF whole divided by this RF by R1 is, and it is defined 1 plus R1 AOL divided by R1 plus RF, right? Now so you just compare this equation with respect to the above equation. So you can see that R0 sorry AOL is treated as A, and next one is that R1 plus RF, comparative that value R1 plus RF and R1 into AOL. So ACL is treated as minus AOL into K is the attenuation factor, divided by 1 plus AOL into B. So AOL into B value is this one. So let me define those values. AOL is your open loop gain, and K equals to what you got, RF by R1 plus RF, and next B equals to R1 divided by R1 plus RF. That is your feedback network.